Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sushi. First, let's perfect the rice. Rinse 1.5 cups of sushi rice under cold water until it runs clear, which takes about 5 minutes. Then, cook it with 1 3/4 cups of water. Once cooked, gently fold in a seasoning of rice vinegar, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Allow this perfectly seasoned rice to cool completely to room temperature before moving on to the next step. This ensures your sushi holds together beautifully. Now let's prepare our rolling station. Place a sheet of nori, the seaweed wrapper, shiny side down on your bamboo rolling mat. Gently spread about 3/4 cup of your cooled, seasoned sushi rice evenly over the nori, leaving a 1-inch strip bare at the top edge. This gap is crucial for sealing the roll later. Next, arrange your favorite fillings like fresh fish, cucumber, or avocado in a neat line across the center of the rice. Don't overfill. This is where the magic happens rolling. Using your bamboo mat, lift the edge closest to you and carefully roll it over the fillings, tucking them in tightly. Continue rolling forward, applying gentle, even pressure with your hands to keep the roll firm and compact. Once you reach the bare nori strip at the top, moisten it with a tiny bit of water to create a seal. Finish rolling, ensuring your sushi log is perfectly cylindrical and holds its shape well. Finally, it's time to slice and serve your beautiful creation. For clean cuts, use a very sharp knife, lightly dampened with water. Slice your sushi roll into 6 to 8 equal pieces, wiping the knife clean with a damp cloth after each cut to prevent sticking. This ensures every piece looks pristine. Arrange your freshly cut sushi on a platter and serve immediately with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, a dab of wasabi, and some refreshing pickled ginger. Enjoy your homemade sushi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.